to get you running again, little car.
Wow.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the Purple Garage. We just finished our exam week for the fall semester, so we're all a little bit tired, gonna take it a little slow today, but we're back after about a 3-week hiatus from working on Deep Orange 9. So the plan for today is to hopefully put the transmission back together. So Tebow, what is that gonna look like?
So yeah, we got our new gears finally because the old ones were completely chipped. So now what we're gonna do is reassemble the shafts and then put all the bolts back together and hopefully fit it back with the engine.
Maybe not today.
Maybe not today, but at least as much as we can today.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Stay tuned for more.
All right, so if you look at the gears now, we can tell the old ones right here was completely chipped on the dog teeth. This is the new one. That's very nice. Same for the reverse one. This is the new one. This is the old one. You can see the chip here, and even on the actual gears of the thing here, it's completely worn out, where the new one is not. So that's why we had to purchase new ones for first, reverse, and second gear because those were damaged when we had the issue with the differential. So now it's ready to get back, put them back together on the shafts, and then hopefully reassemble this thing today.
Talk about what the issue is.
Oh.
This is what the people want.
Okay, so we dropped the differential back in there, and we heard a clunking noise as it was spinning around.
Yeah, and so we located the noise, and I think it comes from here. You can tell it's been machined a little bit, but not enough. I think it's still hitting when the differential is rotating. So we're gonna use this and hopefully get rid of the problem.
Silence.
Nice.
After an hour of grinding the inside of the housing, we finally have this thing not making any noise because what happened is the bolt that's under was actually touching the metal. So we had to grind it a little bit off so that now we can just rotate freely. But we also finished assembling the shafts. So here's our drive shaft, which drives directly the wheels. And now we can finally put it right here. And then our lay shaft, which comes from the engine, will just sit in here.
Stop. Yeah, there you go. That's it.
Not hitting.
Right in position. And it's obviously just the...
Okay.
This is so close. Yeah, space between the gear and the...
Yeah, but that's just gear noise.
No, it's the D's there.
Yeah.
And, I'm talking to the space here. Look at the space between the diff and the actual gear.
I can see light through it though.
Yeah.
What a tolerance.
We can take that off.
Yeah. There you go.
Now, there you go. I mean, obviously there's a little fly in all of them. So.
Where am I stuck? I'm stuck up here.
There you go. So it's this one.
Yeah, but they should fit together.
assembling my new Quave sequential jams for my all-wheel drive turbo Civic. All right, just like that, the car is running. No, I'm just kidding. But the transmission is back together. So it only took us, as always, about 3 times longer than we thought it was going to.
It's only 12:43, so
Only almost 1 in the morning, but it's all the way back together. All the gears are in. We've made sure it shifts. It goes from reverse to neutral all the way up from 1st to 5th gear. No problems. Everything's smooth. The differential isn't making any noise anymore. The only casualty of the day was a tabletop that we'll have to fix. But other than that, everything went really well.
yeah, we quickly want to thanks to GP1 Racing for they gave us an education discount on the parts, so we got to save a bit of money thanks to them. So yeah, quick shout out. And,
Yeah.
this
Thanks
is
for
it.
watching.